Welcome to another episode of Car Chapter, and in today's video it's going to be a little bit different than what we usually do. But before we go into it, I want you guys to go ahead and look at this clip from the end of the last video, and then while you do that, I'm going to go ahead and get a haircut because this needs to be trimmed once a month. So which car do you guys think I should put the most focus on first, the Q60 or the Beamer? I'm gonna be planning a road trip around July, well, in the beginning of July for 4th of July weekend, and then I'm planning to take a cross-country trip from Atlanta to Vegas. So if my math is right, that's around 1,700 mile trip one way, and then so that makes it about 3,500 trip back, round trip. But when I get to Vegas, I'm gonna drive probably to Utah, I'm gonna drive to LA, so we're gonna do a lot of driving from Vegas to nearby states. So that's why I just rounded it up to a 5,000 mile trip. But basically, I'm gonna take one of the cars, either the Q60 or the 440, and then we're gonna drive that all the way from here to Vegas. And my question to you is, I need your help. What do you think I should take? What car do you think I should take? Now, you might be wondering why I need your help to figure this out. It's because I need you guys to comment below and then tell me what you would like to see more from the channel. Would you like to see the Q60 more, or would you like to see the 440 more? And the reason I ask this is because, as many of you guys have already known, if you don't know, I work a full-time job. So that means I don't have the time or the money to be throwing out mods to two cars at the same time. And so we need to focus on one first and then do the other one later. So what should I focus on first, the 440 or the Q60? Now, before you go ahead and tell me you want the Q60, like some of you have already told me through Instagram or through the comment from the last video, I want you guys to consider that the 440 has always been one of my dream cars ever since I was a kid, and now that I've gotten it, I feel like I should take the 440 to Vegas so I can have more memories with it. And despite that it has about 32,000 miles as of this recording, by the time I get back from Vegas, it'll have about 40,000 miles. I'm not going to be worried too much about its reliability or any issues that it might have, because at around 40,000 miles, there's going to be some preventive maintenance that I need to do anyways. But based on my Instagram, if you're not from my Instagram, based from my Instagram, some of you have asked that I have more Beamer content. Some of you have recommended that I just stick with the Q60. But see, I put myself into this mess. I bought myself two cars that are from the same class, and they complement each other so very differently. And the 440 is, better to drive. I'm not gonna try to pretend like the Q60 is more better to drive. It's not. The 440 is better to drive when I want to have some fun, but the Q60 is better as a long-term GT car, for taking long trips like this. So this is why this is such a big issue for me, because I can't figure out which one to take. So I need your help to figure out, what car should I take? Should I take the twin turbo V6 Q60, or should I take the twin scroll turbo 440? And before you say that, take the Q60 because it's faster, it's not going to be faster, because before I get to Vegas, if I do decide to take the 440, I'm going to tune it first, and then we're going to put some carbon fiber stuff into it, and then it's going to look a whole lot different to what it is now. and it's gonna run a whole lot different than it is now, and it's gonna be faster than the Q60 off the line when I tune it. The, I'm gonna do a Q60 versus 440 video soon, but it's just that I don't know how I can clone myself to take two cars at the same time and drag race it. But I guess I can take my roommate Will and then have him drive the Q60, and then I have the 440 because I can't tell my fiance to do it because she's scared of going fast in the car. So yeah, this video is not going to be very long, and this is something that I'm introducing to the channel. It's like behind the scenes stuff. So I'm gonna post updates about regarding the channel on this playlist, and when I do upload for this playlist, I'm not gonna take away from the regular upload that I usually do on Mondays. So maybe I'll upload this on Thursdays, maybe I'll upload this on Tuesdays in additional to my regular videos. But I need your help, and then I want you guys to go ahead and follow my Instagram if you haven't already. I'm pretty active on Instagram, and that's where I usually get most of my ideas from, and that's where I usually talk to most of the people that subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We're going to do a lot of great things with this channel. And then we're growing. And as of this recording, I have about 131 subscribers. And then it's up 30 subscribers from the last video. And I'm grateful for the fact that my channel is gaining traction. Even though it's gaining traction slowly, I like that it's getting traction. We have to start from somewhere, stepping stones. Rome wasn't built in a day. So I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe, and then tell me what you think I should do for the channel, the 440 or the Q60 more. I hope you guys are having a good day. It's very sunny here in Atlanta, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.